Good morning, everybody. Tony, our cabin in the woods. It is New Year's Day, and look what we're waking up to. Look at I'm gonna guess there's a minimum of at least 4 inches. I'm trying to look at here's the back of the car back there. I'd say it's 4 or 5 inches anyway. Pretty close to it. Look at her. Oh God, yeah. Go ahead, Willow. Go potty. Look at this. Beautiful. And it's still snowing. She's got to go poop. Yeah, she does. I knew she had to. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at her go. She's happy she pooped. Go get it, Will. Go ahead, have fun, honey. You have snow in your nose again. Go get it. This is so beautiful. But what I can tell you is, like about supposedly 30 miles west of the city, OKC, they were supposed to get somewhere in excess of 8 inches of snow. We'll play. Go ahead. This is stuff that we haven't gotten for a couple of years. I'm loving it. And she is too. What are you thinking, Willow? Go get it. Go get it, honey. Come on. I see you. I see you. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Gonna make a snowball throw. Ready? Oh, look at her nose. Willow, look up. Well, ready? Go get it. Get it. Come on. Come on. Just do that snow. Look at her come running. Knucklehead. Go play. Well, go play. Sound like a horse track. Come on. It must have been a bird that flew over. You don't see one, but she looked up. Oh, she did. Go get it. Go get it. Are you done? No? Oh man. Oh, had a tree limb or something break over there. Huh. What are you thinking, Willow? You like that? Go play. You don't need to go up there. Stay by me. See how deep it is? When you get away from the house, it gets real deep. That radiant heat kicks in. You can see how deep it is. So we got good snow. I didn't see no deer tracks, so we should be fine. Look at that. Hey, wait on me. Look at that. And you all know this is her time of year. I should have looked in here before for deer, and I didn't do it. I don't see any. I didn't see no footprints. Look how deep it gets out here. Come on. Willow, come here. She's in front of the pigs. Willow, they don't want to play with you, I guarantee it. What is it? What is it? What is it? I threw 4 big slivers of hay in there. Willow, I wouldn't get too close. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? She don't know what they are. Almost never heard her bark. Fed the pigs. Got their water broke out, which wasn't, it was all slushy. Removed some of that. Goats the same way. I just added a bunch of water to them. Chickens, I added some water in their deal. And my other set of chickens, I did their water also. For right now, for a few hours, you can see how thick the roof is. Look at that. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Gee, jumping, I sneeze. I'm gonna make a snowball. I'm gonna hit a Willow with it. What is it? What is that? What is that? What is it, Willow? Come on. Let's go. Thank you. Now go play in the snow. Look at that tree fell over from the snow. This way. Nope. No, ma'am. Come on. This way. We're going to go look through these woods over here. I don't know if you guys noticed. I changed my compost pile. I made it to get rid of the screen. Willow, this way, honey. This way. And did the pallets. It's easier for me to go in there and... Come on, honey. Willow. This way. Come on. Let's go. Let's go through here. Look at these trees. It's beautiful in here, huh? All right, come on. Come on. Willow, let's go, honey. Yeah, I don't see no footprints for deer at all. You wouldn't right now anyway. Come on. I can tell you right now how much the snow has gone down. The snow was up higher, almost up to that second brick right there. So you get closer to the house, snow melts, radiant heat, grass. This was all wet and moistured. I mean, everything else is wet too, but you get away from the house and the grass gets you can see how slushy it is here. The snow melts faster when you get close to the house. Hey, are you done? Are you done? You want to play some more? Is the fun over? Huh? Is the fun over? Are you through? Are you done going to the out and playing? All right. All right, guys. What's this? Snowmaggeddon 3 in a month. That's pretty cool. I'm loving it. Y'all have a great day. Once again, New Year's Day. Be very safe. If you're in Oklahoma, don't drive nowhere. Be safe. All right, guys. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Guys, we've got deer out back. My wife just told me, so I'm not going to talk. And let's see if we can't find them. Oh. There's one right there. Let's see what else we got. Oh, right there. We've got one right here. There's another one right there. You can see them walking. You see their tails. Hey girls, I whistled the other day. I did that and they ran out to get feed, but their feeder is full now. Let's go see what we've got out here. Come on, light, stay off. Excuse me. They're right there. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're heading out that direction. Oh well. Well, the deer are around. So, starting tomorrow, I'm going to be watching out for Willow.